Hello everyone, I'm Nelson Braxton and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Today we have several hot topics on the agenda. Bitcoin's new cycle, Justin Sun's major investments in Ethereum, technical glitches in Hamster Kombat, and the freezing of funds on Tether. Let's get started. Justin Sun's portfolio holds 700,000 ETH on-chain analyst Hamster published interesting information about Justin Sun's ETH balance, noting that the Tron founder's holdings approach 700,000 ETH. Besides direct purchases, he also earns new coins through staking. According to the online analyst, since December 26, 2023, Sun acquired 421,800 ETH, equivalent to 1.267 billion. The average price of the altcoin was 3,006, with payments made through 5 different addresses. Regarding staking, Hamster wrote that considering the annual POS rate of 3.2% ETH, Sun's daily interest on the locked ethers amounts to 56.7 ETH, equivalent to $180,000. Sun's ETH holdings qualify him as a crypto whale, undoubtedly controlling significant volumes of the #1 altcoin. Retail traders often use information about crypto whales' activities to assess and predict markets. In particular, they might take Sun's average purchase price of 3,006 per ETH as a support level, as the renowned investor is likely to do everything possible to keep the price above this level to maintain profit. Hamster Kombat minigame faces mass glitch. Users of the popular minigame Hamster Kombat began massively complaining that the game stopped launching. In response to players' reports, the developers promised to fix everything as soon as possible. "We are aware of the issues with the Hamster Kombat app and are working to restore it as quickly as possible," the statement read. A few hours later, the application became available to players again. In Hamster Kombat, users need to tap on a hamster image as quickly as possible. For each tap, players can earn in-game currency. Telegram founder Pavel Durov promised the community that an airdrop of tokens would soon take place, which owners of in-game coins could receive. Earlier, Web3 game studio Eldarune's co-founder and CEO Can Peacock compared the mechanics of token clickers like Hamster Kombat to a financial pyramid. The reliability of the economic model of tap games raised doubts for the businessman. Analyst records. The start of Bitcoin's new cycle. Amid the rise of the first cryptocurrency to $60,000, analyst and MN Trading founder Michael van de Poppe announced the start of a new cycle. BlackRock has already mentioned that Bitcoin is a hedge against global uncertainty, similar to gold in the 1930s. The attack on Donald Trump confirms this. "The world order is changing and Bitcoin is our solution," he wrote. At the time of writing, digital gold is trading around $60,300, having gained 3.5% in a day. Its capitalization has recovered to $1.18 billion, according to CoinGecko. On July 13th, technical analyst Ali suggested that an ascending triangle pattern had formed on Bitcoin's 4-hour chart. According to his calculations, breaking above the $59,200 resistance level would propel the price to $63,800. After Bitcoin reached $60,000, the expert advised caution. According to his observations, the asset is still trading below the 200-day simple moving average, 200 DSMA. Wait for a sustainable hold above 200 DSMA to confirm the continuation of the uptrend, Ali advised. Trader Crypto Tony noted that it would be great for the bulls to see a return to $60,500. A true sign of strength if we get there, he emphasized. User Don Crypto Trades pointed out that recently Bitcoin has moved up over the weekends, only to fall again at the start of the week. In his post, he compared the asset's dynamics to the opening of trading on the CME. "We have seen this several times during the previous cycle when illiquid weekends were used to achieve growth, surprising many when the retracement happened on Monday. Usually this leads to some mistrust, which turns into a strong decline, further fueling high prices," he added. Earlier, Bitwise's chief investment officer Matt Hugin predicted the first cryptocurrency would reach $100,000 by the end of the year. He believes that neither the distribution of Mt. Gox coins nor sales by the German authorities, nor the threat of similar actions regarding Silk Road coins will hinder this. Let's recall that Standard Chartered also maintained expectations for Bitcoin's return to its historical high in August, followed by growth to $100,000 by the US presidential elections in November. Tether freezes address with 2962 million in USDT. Due to illegal activities, stablecoin issuer Tether has frozen a wallet on the Tron network starting with TNVAKW, containing 2962 million in USDT. It is claimed that this address is presumably linked to criminal activity and money laundering. A representative from BitRace, a developer of compliance and investigation tools for law enforcement, explained that the frozen address is connected to the Cambodian group Huione's guarantee business, which was activated on July 9, 2024. Interestingly, Huione attempted to bypass the freeze by creating a new business address, TQUIFSV, and transferring $114,800 in USDC from the blocked TNVAKW address. Notably, Huione's older business address, TL8TBP, continues to operate. BitRace suggested that the freeze is due to Huione's involvement in money laundering, fraud, and cryptocurrency theft. Such blockages are quite common, as Tether strives to assist law enforcement globally in combating criminal activities. For example, on May 8th, Tether announced the freeze of an Ethereum wallet containing a staggering 100 million in USDT. Thank you for joining this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss future updates and analysis. Leave your comments under the video. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on these developments. This was Nelson Braxton. See you in the next videos.